Good morning, everybody. Josh Ezel, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. I just read one of the most amazing books, and we got to talk about it. Over about the last year, I've heard so many people talking about this book called Mindset from Carol S. Dweck. And I finally picked it up about a month ago, and holy cow, it is amazing. I wish I would have read it a year ago so I could have been implementing all the takeaways from this book. And if you haven't picked it up yet, you really should pick it up ASAP. Read it again. To sum it up the best I can in this short time, and I'm probably going to end up doing a couple videos about it because it is seriously that awesome. It boils down to your mindset, obviously, but is it growth or fixed? A growth mindset is where you want to be. It's about enjoying the process. It's about enjoying the learning. It's about embracing failure and mistakes, but taking away what you can from them to become better. And it's not about, oh my gosh, I didn't get that promotion. Oh my gosh, I didn't get that sale. I'm a failure. No, it's about, yeah, I didn't get that failure. What could I do better so I could learn from this and get it next time? Life is a process, and you're gonna win and you're gonna lose a lot. Every single one of them is a learning lesson. There's a takeaway in everything. For some reason, we have a tendency to have this fixed mindset where we are what we are. I'm dumb, I am not smart, I am not funny, whatever it is we may be. And you're stuck in that realm. That's not the truth of the matter. And that's what this book really points out, okay? And I'm gonna kind of leave it there. You should really pick it up. Again, it's Mindset, The New Psychology of Success from Carol S. Dweck. Please pick it up. If you've read it, please leave your comments below. And as you do read it, please share your stories, share your learning lessons, and yeah, let's keep the growth mindset going. Talk to you guys later.